So what's up my fellow streamers? Tonight I'm gonna show you something new that you can have it on your stream for free. So basically Kappamon is like a small pet that you can have in your stream. I'm gonna show it to you later. So basically whenever someone joins your chat or follows you, subs to you or something like that, that pet will basically say hello, thank you for the sub, thank you for the follow, and you can even set up those messages. So first thing we're gonna do is go on Kappamon.com, link will be on the description, and you're gonna go on Twitch, sign in. So here's your main page, it's your profile page. So if you want to get your link, it's here, so you can just copy now. We will use it later. It's gonna be here all the time, so if you lose it, no problem, just come back here and get it. Now I'm gonna show you on the options that you can make the facing direction, because if it's on the right side on the screen, you want the bot, the Kappamon, the pet, to be facing left. Otherwise it's gonna cut or it's not gonna fit your overlay. And the show comments is whenever you say exclamation comment. And you can connect a Spotify account, so whenever you make exclamation song, it will say the playing song at the moment. Animation speed, I advise you to keep it normal, and use a blacklist. Those are the guys that shouldn't trigger the bot. And here you can set up all the things with the colors and stuff. So we kind of leave it be because it's set up to my account. And on the comments, as I was explaining before, if you type exclamation song, it will trigger and it's gonna show you what song is playing. So in order to get that, I don't know if they are enabled by default. So you gotta press enable on the ones that you want. You can enable and disable it every single time. So don't worry about it, you can change it later. And you can even add custom comments. And now in the collection, this is my collection, those are all free and you can get them on the marketplace. Some of them cost money and you can actually earn money by doing referrals. If you want to help me, I'll drop my link down there on the description. So you can get that one, you can get the cat, you can get a lot of them, they are really cute. I especially like that dragon, I can't afford it, feels bad. Feels really bad. And the Kappamon is a new thing where they basically give you a newsletter with updates and stuff like that. And okay, now I'm gonna explain it to you. Let's go on the marketplace. We'll get some Kappamon like the reindeer. You go on purchase, it's gonna be free, so it's gonna be in your collection. And now you choose it. And that's the default animation. Actually, I want mine to be, let me see, I want mine to be sleeping. Like that? Yeah, that's cute. Set default animation. And now it's done. Now, in order to get it on OBS, so you can actually have it on your stream, let's go on stream URL, copy that link, and now let's go on OBS. You're gonna have a new browser source. You're gonna name it Kappamon or something similar. That actually doesn't matter. It's up to you. You're gonna place the URL here, and within the size, place it at full HD. Let me see the behavior. Yeah. So now you can just place it here, and guess what? You have Kappamon now. So if I go in my own chat now, let me just open my chat. If you go in my chat now and you type something like hello, the bot will say hi the Better Killer. And it will say hi the Better Killer to everyone that types for the first time in your channel. So that's actually amazing and it's a really nice thing to have. If you want me to keep doing videos on how to get your stream fancier, just tell me in the comment box and like the video, and I would really like if you'd sub to me on YouTube or even follow on Twitch and Twitter, because that means the world to me and you guys are awesome. If I helped your streams, you can even drop the link down below and have a nice time streaming, and I hope you have lots of fun with your viewers. And I'm out. Have a nice stream.